Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, is a thoughtful leader known for his focus on innovation, sustainability, and ethical leadership. His book recommendations often reflect his values, offering insights into human connection, leadership, and creating a meaningful impact. Below are summaries of 5 books that Tim Cook has recommended, showcasing their key lessons and why they resonate with his philosophy. 1. Competing Against Time, by George Stock and Thomas Hout. This business classic focuses on the strategic importance of time in competitive markets. It argues that companies that reduce time in processes like product development, delivery, and customer service gain a significant edge. Cook appreciates this book for its emphasis on efficiency and innovation, values that align with Apple's focus on seamless user experiences and quick market adaptation. 2. Autobiography of Martin Luther King, Jr., edited by Claiborne Carson. This comprehensive autobiography provides a first-hand look at Dr. King's life, vision, and the principles that guided his fight for civil rights. Tim Cook often highlights Dr. King as a personal hero, and this book serves as a testament to leadership rooted in conviction, courage, and a commitment to justice. 3. The Innovator's Dilemma, by Clayton M. Christensen. Christensen explores why successful companies often fail to adopt disruptive technologies and how they can stay ahead of innovation. Cook finds this book particularly relevant as it aligns with Apple's mission to stay at the forefront of technological advancements while addressing changing consumer needs. 4. The Boys in the Boat, by Daniel James Brown. This inspiring story follows a crew team from the University of Washington that triumphed at the 1936 Berlin Olympics. The book emphasizes teamwork, perseverance, and the human spirit's strength in overcoming adversity. Cook admires this book for its lessons on collaboration and determination, values he embodies as a leader. 5. Steve Jobs, by Walter Isaacson. A biography of Apple's co-founder, this book provides a deep dive into the visionary mind of Steve Jobs, chronicling his creative genius, challenges, and triumphs. Cook's recommendation reflects his respect for Jobs' legacy and the innovative culture he continues to foster at Apple. Conclusion. Tim Cook's book recommendations offer profound lessons on leadership, innovation, and resilience. These books reflect his commitment to driving meaningful change and staying true to one's values, both in business and life. By exploring these titles, readers can gain inspiration to lead with purpose, adapt to change, and strive for excellence in their own journeys.